As part of this topic, let me walk you through the solution for another problem statement. The problem statement says get number of orders and revenue for each year, month, and date using orders which are either complete or closed. Make sure that daily metrics such as count as well as revenue are rolled up at month and year as well. The tasks which we are going to perform to solve this problem are nothing but reading data from orders and filter for complete or closed. Then we'll also read data from order items. Using filtered orders and order items, we'll be joining with common key called as order ID in orders and order item order ID in order items. Then we'll group the data by order date and get number of orders as well as revenue for each day using rollup. We'll also consider month as well as year. Finally, we'll sort the data using order date and project. That being said, this will take care of creating this Spark session for us. The name of this Spark session object is nothing but Spark. Using that, we are setting Spark SQL shuffle partitions to 2 so that it will not use too many resources to join these small datasets. This will take care of creating data frame by name orders by reading JSON files from this location. This location contain orders files in the JSON format. We have 68,883 records in this data frame. Now we are filtering based on order status in complete or closed. Orders filtered is the data frame which have the filtered orders. You can see the count in orders underscore filtered. It is nothing but 30,455. This location contains JSON files related to order underscore items. This piece of code will take care of creating a data frame by name order underscore items by reading JSON files from this location. Orders underscore join is nothing but a data frame which contains join results between orders filtered and order items. The join condition is nothing but orders filtered order ID and order items order item order ID. Now you should be able to use rollup and you can actually determine year, month, using appropriate functions here. If you say year of order date, it will extract the year part and it will return the year part. Using date format like this, you should be able to get year and month like this. We want to roll up based upon year, then month. When we say month, it is nothing but combination of year and month and also the date. With respect to date, we don't need to apply any function because our dates contain only the date. It doesn't have timestamps. Using rollup, we should be able to roll up at year level, month level, and date level like this. Rest of the logic remain same as we have seen earlier. You can use ag like this. This will take care of getting the revenue for each day, which will be rolled up to month as well as year as well. On top of revenue, we also want to get number of orders that are placed. To get the number of orders that are placed, we have to use count distinct. Orders underscore join will have multiple entries for each order ID if there are multiple items for each order ID. As we want to get only the number of orders that are placed based upon our dimension, it can be day, month, or year. We have to use count distinct like this. If you use count, you will get more number of orders because you are counting order items, not the orders. To count only orders, you have to use count distinct like this and you have to pass order ID, which is the common key between orders and order items. This will take care of getting you the count for each day, which will eventually be rolled up to month as well as year as we are using rollup like this. After aggregating, we even have sorted the data by year, month, and date. This revenue will contain data sorted by year, month, and then date. You can preview by saying revenue.show like this. I'm projecting 50 records and I'm saying truncate equal to false to see the complete output. You can see the output here. These are the entries related to 2013 July. These are daily count and revenue. This is monthly count and revenue for 2013 July. This is yearly count and revenue for 2013. This is count and revenue for the complete dataset. This is how you should be able to use rollup and roll up to higher levels within the hierarchy. From date, we are able to roll up to month and also to year. If you wanted to sort in such a way that nulls go last, you can actually use this approach. So in this, if you look at order by, we are saying call of order year, ascending nulls underscore last, order month, ascending nulls underscore last, and also order date, ascending nulls underscore last. In this case, the nulls will go to the bottom. You can review the output here. First, you got the daily count and revenue, then monthly count and revenue. Then you will be getting yearly count and revenue after you get all the months related data for the year 2013 followed by 2014. So this is how you can control the behavior of sorting in case if you have to. This is how you should be able to use rollup and roll up your daily metrics to month as well as year based upon your requirements.